Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. Today we are in a brand new place again. We are in the Paddocks in Renfrewshire, and I'm on a different camera this morning because my other camera's being used by Kate. Her phone's broke, so she's using that phone camera, we're gonna have to go and buy her a new phone. So anyway, I'm going to swap the video around now so you can see the paddocks and we'll have a quick tour. Okay, so this is our spot. We're on pitch 27. That's pitch 26 there. We're on pitch 27. Connie's working quite well. We've got the mat out and everything in the bin. The only problem we've got here is that we've been here a couple of days and the bin has been attacked this morning by the, I was going to say blackbirds, no, by the magpies. So here we go. We've got this is the site. Let me see if I can make it a bit smaller. That morning, we've got 30 pitches up there. There's the pitch 30s down there, all the way along up to that side, all the way around here. So we've got James from Motorhome Happiness. We've got Ken and Karen from Hobbies Adventures. We've got Judy that side, and Kevin. And then there's more people coming today. Today's Friday, and the meetup is on Saturday, Sunday, and then we all go home Monday. So yeah, we've been here a week. Been here since the Sunday, and it's been very nice, very quiet. We're quite a distance from the motorway, and we're not far from the River Clyde. So I'll put a map on if I can remember here. And then a map of the site. And then I will show you just everything that we've got on site. So it's pretty good actually. It's very quiet. The guy on the guy on site, John's very pleasant, nice to speak to. He's very accommodating. So here we've got, as you can see, that white thing there is a, where is it there? Wi-Fi repeater. So we've got bins. We've got down here non-electric pitches. Pretty good. That's in there. That's the hard standing area, as you can see. We've got grey waste and motorhome dumping there. And we've got more bins there, and then there's your Elsan. And then in here we have ladies on that side, gents on that side, and in here is washing machine and dryer. And that's pretty good. That is £1 for 52 minutes. So you put £1.20 and you get an hour, and then you put it on the jeans setting and you get 59 minutes on your washing machine. So that's pretty good. Down this side is all more electric pitches, and then there is a road to go out, and you've got lodges that people stay in. So it's a very good site. As you can see, it's about 6:30 in the morning. The sun's behind me. See my shadow? Woo. There we go. So yes, it's a very good site. We'll be coming here again. I can't remember how much we paid, but we got the Motorhome Happiness rate. So it was fairly cheap. There's a massive great motorhome there. I don't know if you can see that right in the distance. Massive great RS Envoy. It's huge. As you can see, this is the view we've got. There's that fields and hills, and literally over that side of the caravan is Glasgow Airport, and you can see the planes landing. And then on this side we've got more hills. I don't know if you can see that in the distance. You see the hills in the distance there, the Scottish hills. So it's very good site, very beautiful, very quiet, and we're going to be coming again, I'm sure. That's it, just a brief tour of the Paddocks. I'll put the address and details in the description. Just a very quick tour of that, because we are about to start work again on the Friday morning, and we're going to be a full day's work and then chill out in the evening, and then the weekend we've got activities on Motorhome Happiness. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment. Have you been to the Paddocks before? Oh God, I need my haircut. I really do. I need to find somewhere to get my haircut, some barbers. Yeah, so leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.